How to improve email campaigns for higher conversions. Are you struggling to boost the conversion rates of your email campaigns? In this video, we'll explore key strategies to enhance your email marketing efforts and achieve better results. First, focus on crafting compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing recipients see. Make it intriguing and relevant to encourage them to open the email. Personalization is crucial. Use your subscriber's name and tailor content based on their preferences or previous interactions. Segment your audience to send targeted messages. Not all subscribers are the same, so customize emails based on demographics, purchasing behavior, or engagement levels. Create visually appealing and mobile-friendly designs. Many users open emails on their phones, so ensure your layout is responsive and easy to navigate. A clear call to action is vital. Use contrasting colors and actionable language to guide readers towards the desired outcome. Test different elements of your emails, such as send times, formats, and content types, to see what works best. Craft engaging and valuable content. Provide information or solutions that address the needs and interests of your audience. Make use of automation tools to send timely and consistent messages. Automating welcome emails, follow-ups, and re-engagement campaigns can help maintain consistent communication. Finally, analyze and learn from your campaigns. Use analytics to track performance metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to understand what resonates with your audience. If these tips were helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more insights on boosting your email marketing success.